If you're seeing an X.com or Twitter error today, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to figure out what's wrong and fix the issue step by step. Whether the page won't load, you're getting a login error, or X keeps showing a message like, oops, something went wrong, these steps will help you narrow down the cause and get back into your account. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the most important thing is to check whether X is actually down. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. It could be a temporary outage affecting everyone. Open your browser and go to Downdetector, then search for X or Twitter and check the live status reports. If you see a spike in reports, that usually means the service is having issues globally or in your region. In that case, the best option is often to wait a little while and try again later. If X is not down for everyone, then the next thing to check is your connection and browser setup. A lot of times, VPNs and extensions can interfere with X loading properly. If you're using a VPN, pause it temporarily and refresh the page. Then disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions you have installed, especially tools like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger. These can block scripts that X needs to function correctly. After turning them off, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try loading X again. If the issue still isn't fixed, try signing in from a different browser. This is a simple but very effective way to find out whether the problem is with your browser or with your account. For example, if you normally use Google Chrome, try Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or another browser you already have installed. If X works in the other browser, then your main browser may need a refresh. In that case, updating the browser, clearing cache and cookies, or resetting the browser settings can often solve the problem. Now, if the error is happening specifically when you log in, especially if you keep seeing that "oops, something went wrong" message, the problem may be related to your login session or token. A good fix in this situation is to reset your password or start a fresh login session. Go to the X Help Center and look for the Login Issues section. From there, use the options for locked or limited accounts, then choose Contact Support if needed, and follow the prompts for "I forgot my password." This can help generate a new session and clear out whatever is causing the login error. If you are still stuck after that, double check that your browser is fully updated and that your device date and time are set correctly. Incorrect system time can sometimes cause login and security problems. Also, try clearing your cache and cookies for X because old stored data can interfere with the newest version of the site. The key is to work through the issue one step at a time. First confirm whether X is down, then remove anything that could be blocking it, then test a different browser, and finally handle any login-related reset steps. Most X.com and Twitter errors today can be fixed with one of these methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and keeps these troubleshooting guides coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.